Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll walk you through how to use Notion step by step so you can organize your work, notes, and life all in one place in 2026. Notion is an all-in-one productivity tool that combines notes, tasks, databases, calendars, and collaboration. At first, it might look confusing, but once you understand the basics, it becomes extremely powerful. Let's start from the beginning. After creating your Notion account, you'll land on the main workspace. This is where all your pages live. Think of pages as digital notebooks. You can create as many as you want. To create a new page, click the New Page button on the left sidebar. Give your page a name like Notes, Tasks, or Projects. You can choose a template or start with a blank page. Inside a page, everything works using blocks. A block can be text, a heading, a checklist, an image, or a database. To add a block, just type a / and choose what you need. For example, if you want headings, type /heading. If you want a to-do list, type /to-do. This is how you structure your content clearly and cleanly. Now let's talk about databases, which are the heart of Notion. Databases help you manage tasks, projects, habits, or content. You can create a table, board, calendar, or list view from the same database. To create one, type /table and select table database. You can add properties like status, date, priority, or tags. This makes tracking and filtering information super easy. One of the best features is linked views. You can show the same database in different pages with different filters. So your tasks can appear as a calendar in one place and a checklist in another. Notion also supports collaboration. You can share pages with teammates, assign tasks, leave comments, and control permissions. This makes it perfect for teams, freelancers, and businesses. Customization is another big advantage. You can add icons, cover images, colors, and layouts to match your workflow. Use templates to save time or create your own reusable systems. Finally, keep it simple at first. Don't try to build everything in one day. Start with notes and tasks, then slowly add databases and automation as you get comfortable. And that's how to use Notion step by step in 2026. If this guide helped you, like the video, subscribe for more productivity and tool tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.